Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And I feel very bad that I didn't take you to the stores with me. I quickly went to Woolworths and I got a few things. I just want to make dinner and some snoek. So I just want to show you what I got quickly, and then I'll prepare dinner, and then I think tomorrow I'll head out for my nails and hair and just give myself a little pampering. It's been a while, guys. I've been having this hair for a very long time, so hopefully things are gonna go as planned. So let's get to it. Let me show you what I got, guys. There's this one specific thing that I love, and I urge you guys to go and get it. It's very nice. Let me show you what I got. And I got some bananas, love me some bananas, and got some Vista Shores with his and this thing right here is my favorite. I hope you guys go and get it. Love it so much. Love it loads. I got some don't need chops. I got some foam bath, some detour, detour. I got some chocolates. I love me some chocolates anyway. And then I forgot, actually being in the the other side, and I remembered I'm gonna combat this. I love these salami sticks. I love them. I don't like snaking with salt and stuff, but when it comes to this, I tell you, I plug you guys. I'm your girl. These hand bag, and then got some broccoli and collie, and then I got some bell green peppers, and some snoek fish. Like I said, snoek fish. So we got a snoek fish at, can't see clearly here, at 69 rands. Hope you guys can see the price. 69 rands. So the snoek manje, by the way, for dinner. Ninyama, of course, because why? I am craving for inyama. And then we got some beef. So stay tuned, guys. I think I'm going to cook along with you. Yeah, as I take these things away. I hope you enjoy. Okay?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's not
Ngaze ngapheka nginqane without even saying hi to you guys. It's been a while. So ngizele ukuzonibulisa, not much.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you